Hi again. I've just prepared a little video to show you how to access Mohawk College's databases for your search about how the risks of birth control pills when it comes to blood clots. So this is Mohawk College's homepage. And what we're going to do is click on current students here. We're going to go down to library. It's going to prompt us to log in. So we have page 1 plus login. Mohawk students and staff. This is my account here. I'm already signed in. If you haven't signed in a while, you might be prompted to send a code to your cell phone, and you might have to enter a 6-digit code to get in just for the authentication. But this is the page 1 homepage. And then we're going to go click on databases over here. These are all the databases that are available to us through Mohawk College Library. And we can narrow these down by subject. So we are looking for health databases dealing with health. And there are a few databases that are useful for your question. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go down to Health Source. There are 2 health sources. One is Consumer Edition. This is more for the layperson, but since you are a nurse, we're going to go to Health Source Nursing Academic Edition. And then this is the search page. So we can also do an advanced search here. And this will help us narrow down what we're looking for. So in addition to Health Source Nursing Academic Edition, you can also add additional databases. So Medline might be helpful for us down here. So we have the 2 databases now, so our search will search both databases. You can add as many as you like. You can also click on Detailed View here, and that will give you more information about each database and what you might use it for. All right, but if we're happy with the 2, we can select Continue. I'll just apply Medline. And we're happy with that. So if we go to Advanced Search here, these are the fields where you can enter your search terms. So you can enter it in the subject, in the abstract. You can look for any of the text here. You can find all of your search terms or find any of your search terms. So that would be every search term would have to be in the article. You can also limit your publication type with academic journal here. You can limit the date, so you wouldn't want out-of-date information. So you could look at articles that were published in the last 10 years, for example. You can check off peer-reviewed here, and that guarantees that you've got some good information. So if we go back up, we can apply our search term here. So you can type in birth control pills. It'll prompt you to give some synonyms. So birth control or contraceptives or contraception. And then you can put risk factors, contributing factors. You can put risk or side effect or complications. And you can also search for blood clots or thrombosis or DVT. There are a lot of options here. Somebody's already searched blood clots and oral contraceptives. And then this is optional, so you don't have to do that, but you could do the search there. Yeah, so we're going to, once again, I'll take you through it really quickly again. So if we go back to the homepage, here we are. We've got our databases. You can choose databases. They're all here for you. You can select or unselect any that you don't want to see and click OK. And then we're just going to click on Advanced Search. You're going to type in your search terms. You're going to limit your search however you'd like to do that. By date, by publication type. You can click on peer-reviewed. You can limit the number of pages. You can limit everything to English. And then when you're all finished, you're going to click search and you'll get your results. Hope this was helpful. Just give us a call if you have any more questions. Thanks. Bye.